Man down. The police investigating the multi-billion rupee stock market scandal have just lost a suspect they were about to involve in the probe. The 38-year-old man was a bank manager and was shot 4 times. Meanwhile, police officials say their investigation into thousands of cases of identity theft and fraud will now involve numerous banks.
We have the banking sector to go into and ask them how come they open up such market, such a humongous number of accounts with themselves without going through the required paraphernalia of precautions. This case is of humongous magnitude and importance for the financial history of Pakistan as far as the last 15 to 20 years are concerned, in which the major players have jumped into the stock market. I believe all the cases that were previously filed and were floated, the seed companies that came into the stock market, have to be probed into.
On the interrogation front, police sources say the arrested 54-year-old Mohammed Hussain is providing vital leads. Hussain had been arrested along with over 3,000 stolen national identity cards, bank stamps and other official documents. Investigators believe the scam runs into billions of rupees.
3 क्लाइंट हमारे बड़े होते थे जो हमारे को ज़्यादा फाइनेंसिंग करते थे, बाकी स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में चलते फिरते अगर 2-4 क्लाइंट मिल जाते थे तो वो मिल जाते थे.
The director of the Federal Investigation Agency in Karachi has told DawnNews that the FIA will soon take charge of this investigation. As investigations into this scandal continue, police officials say this is merely the tip of the iceberg. They say while having nabbed one of the agencies helping with the investigation, the alligators are still out on the loose. Hasan Abdullah, DawnNews, Karachi.